Bet you're thinking, why 27 millimeters, Preston? Well, I'm glad you asked, because the honest answer is that's just what it ended up. I was totally winging it. So I've been all up on Instagram lately, and I have noticed that there's a few people that have been making some crazy wooden mallets. And these things are super nice. Now, I thought to myself, I think I can do that. I want to try and make my own, but I want to throw my own twist on it. So what I come up with is I'm going to make a 3D cube wooden mallet, and I'm going to make mine out of bloodwood, maple, and tigerwood. Each one of these angles is 30 degrees exactly, and each one of these cubes is, each one of these shapes is exactly 27 millimeters on each side. Now, bet you're thinking, why 27 millimeters, Preston? Well, I'm glad you asked, because the honest answer is that's just what it ended up. I was totally winging it, full disclosure. So now you know, but it ended up being 27 millimeters, and I think this is going to be a really nice pattern, and I think it's going to look really good when it's done. So let's get this sucker glued up. So my method for this is to glue this up the exact same way that you would if you're making a 3D cube cutting board. Once I have the panel glued up, I cut it into strips, and I'm looking for a strip long enough that I can keep the pattern going the entire way around the circumference of the mallet head. So my method for cutting this is to put the miter in the spot where it will least affect the consistency of the pattern all the way around the mallet head. And that spot I found to be right in the middle of where the tigerwood and the bloodwood meet. This took me a few tries to get. I actually wasted quite a bit of wood before I got this step right. It ended up working quite well. Okay, for the handle, I got this sweet piece of walnut, and I think this is gonna look sick. I'm also gonna sandwich the head of the mallet in walnut so we have a nice consistent finish to go with the 3D cube pattern.